Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to iron on a patch to a backpack. First, make sure your patch is specifically designed for iron-on application. Next, find a sturdy, heat-resistant surface, like an ironing board, and lay your backpack flat. Carefully place your patch exactly where you want it to be on the fabric. This initial placement is crucial for a great result. Now, set your iron to a medium-high, dry heat setting, avoiding steam. Place a thin pressing cloth, like a pillowcase, over your patch to protect both the patch and the backpack fabric from direct heat. Press the hot iron down firmly and evenly for about 15 to 30 seconds. Make sure to cover the entire patch area with consistent pressure. To ensure a strong bond, carefully turn your backpack inside out. Now, apply heat to the back of the patch area for another 15 to 30 seconds. This helps the adhesive fully melt and adhere to the fabric fibers. Once done, let the patch cool down completely without touching it. This cooling process is vital for a lasting attachment. For the best longevity, avoid washing your backpack for at least 48 hours after applying the patch. When cleaning is necessary, hand wash or spot clean the area gently, rather than machine washing. If you want extra security, especially for frequently used backpacks, a few hand stitches around the patch's edge can provide a permanent hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.